Hello, I'm Simon. Welcome back to my workshop. Some of you will know from previous videos that I recently rescued a bed from a skip, and while taking that apart I ended up with quite a few of these spindles. I was going to throw them away, but then I thought of a project for them. So that's what we're going to focus on today. Let's get tinkering. This project will use 5 of these spindles plus a piece of wood from the bed frame. The first thing I'm going to do is round off one end of each spindle, and I'll start by cutting the end with the bandsaw, and then I'll follow up with the bench sander. I'll finish these off with a little bit of hand sanding. I've realised I've not told you what I'm making. It's a garden hoop throwing game, and I'm going to use this recycled piece of lumber as the base, but first I need to cut it to size. The size is arbitrary, but I use the flag stop to make sure both pieces are the same length. The base will form a cross using a half lap joint, and to make that I'm going to use the table saw. Now to do that I've had to remove the blade guard and the riving knife, but I'm not doing a through cut, so as long as I keep my fingers away from the blade there shouldn't be any problems. I'll drill the holes that the pegs will fit in. Now for a dry fit. The lumber had rounded off corners, so I sand the ends I'd cut to make them match. I sand down all the parts and repair a little bit of chip out, ready for painting. I now glue the spindles to the base. I then paint everything a neutral grey. And decorate the pins with coloured paints. The paints I'm using are old model paints from when the kids were into Warhammer model making. So that's how you make a quoit set out of an old bed. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.